point of making your own chicken deli meat at home? 3 reasons. First, it costs less. Second, you avoid all those preservatives and unnecessary additives. Third, it's fresher and you can customize the flavor exactly the way you like. Hi everyone, I'm Lily and welcome to Paprika. Today we're making homemade chicken deli meat in the easiest way you've probably ever seen. And at the end, I'll let you know if it actually tastes like the store-bought kind. Then we will make a fresh salad with a high-protein dressing. So by the end, we will have a healthy, high-protein meal. This video is packed with little tips, so stick around. This homemade chicken deli meat is different from the usual recipes. Let's get started. Place one whole chicken into a large pot. These vegetables are the secret. Celery, carrot, onion, garlic. Add them to the pot with the chicken. Add the spices. Then pour in enough boiling water to completely cover everything. Cook it over high heat for at least 2 hours. Now for that classic deli meat color. Peel one beet and cut it in half. Keep the peel too. That's where the best color comes from. Let it cook with everything else. Once the chicken is fully cooked, remove all the meat from the bones. I'm actually not sure which playlist this recipe belongs in. Salads and snacks or creative meal? Which category do you think fits it better? Set aside about 2/3 of a cup of the chicken broth. Drain everything else and only keep the carrots and the garlic. Mix half a cup of the cooked beet juice with the gelatin powder. And save that half beet. I'll show you why later. Add the chicken broth, the beet juice and gelatin mixture, the garlic, fresh lemon juice. The lemon helps it stay fresh longer. Nobody tells you that. Parmesan cheese and the spices. Blend everything until it's completely smooth. I'll link this compact little blender down below. Dice the carrots and the beet into small cubes. Add them to the mixture and stir everything together. I bought these silicone molds on Amazon and I'll leave the link below. Lightly grease the inside. Pour in the mixture and spread it out evenly. Tap the mold on the counter a few times to release any air bubbles. You can even use a regular food container. Just make sure to grease it first. Then later you can run a silicone spatula around the edges and it'll come right out. Refrigerate it for at least half a day or overnight. Well, that's chilling. Let's make a healthy, high-protein salad dressing. We only need the whites from 2 hard-boiled eggs that have completely cooled. Make sure there's not even a tiny bit of yolk left, or the dressing can develop an eggy smell. I'm using non-fat Greek yogurt, fresh lemon juice, and the spices. Turmeric is a must. It completely balances out the flavor of the egg whites. Blend everything together. Then after blending, stir in the dried herbs. I'm using dried mint and oregano because it's August, it's hot outside, and they give the dressing a really refreshing flavor. It turned out really good. While we finish the salad, I want to tell you something that completely changed the way I stopped overeating. There was a time when I used to overeat a lot. Sometimes I'd eat until I literally felt sick. I wanted so badly to break that habit, so I started eating a big salad before anything else. Whenever I felt an overeating episode coming on, and I felt like nothing could stop me, I put a huge bowl of vegetables in front of me, and I tell myself, first I'm going to finish this entire bowl, then I can eat whatever I still want. And that's exactly what I did. And what happened was interesting. The fiber from the vegetables helped my body handle all the junk food I ended up eating afterward much better. I still overate at first, but afterward, I didn't feel like beating myself up anymore. Little by little, something changed. After finishing that big salad, I actually felt proud of myself. I didn't even want the junk food as much anymore. Over time, my overeating disappeared. That's why salad became a permanent part of almost every meal I eat. It was a long journey, and in future videos, I'll share more stories about how I finally committed to a healthy lifestyle. If you'd like to follow that journey with me, don't forget to subscribe. To remove the deli meat from the container, just run a silicone spatula around the edges. It comes right out. The little pieces of carrot and beet make it look so pretty. I really hope it tastes just as good. Slice it up and arrange it over the salad. I want to use the other half of the beet to make a flour. I actually made a flour out of chicken once in my purple pasta video. It turned out really cute. You should check that one out later. Then place it right on top. Oh no, it fell apart. That's okay. If you know me, you know I'll do it anyway. Come on, that effort deserves a like. I'm just going to drizzle a little dressing over the top. I'll mix in the rest while I'm eating. Right now, I want to take some photos first. And let's sprinkle on a little sesame seed for the finishing touch. Now it's time to find out how the chicken deli meat tastes. The real question is, does this homemade chicken deli meat actually taste like the store-bought kind? The answer might surprise you. But before I tell you, if you're still watching, you're probably someone who actually cares about eating healthier. I lost 22 pounds just by making smarter versions of the foods I already love. That's exactly what I share on my YouTube channel. Healthy recipes plus regular one with healthier twists. If that sounds like your kind of content, hit subscribe. Now, for the verdict. Yeah, I like it better than store-bought. It's fresh, flavorful, and incredibly tender. No preservatives, just real ingredients. In the next video, we're making something really exciting. Layered fruit clusters, but with a completely different twist. I'll also show you the challenges I ran into while making them. Until the next video, take care.